With the help of these 3 indicators, I turned $100 into $614, and if you want to know how, then make sure to watch the video till the end. Okay, first let's choose the chart, and we are choosing the candles with 15-second time frames. Now let's go to the expiration. Let's choose the 1 minute expiration. Now let's select the best currency pairs. Now let's select the indicators, which is Alligator, Momentum and Demarker. Okay, now let's change the period of Alligator. Now let's make the job period to 15 and the shift to 7, and let's make the teeth period to 10, shift period to 6, lips period to 5 and shift to 4. Now let's go to the styles. Let's make the lips to blue with 2 pixels, and let's make the teeth to orange and jaw to white. And yeah, that's all, and save it. Okay, now let's change the period of momentum. Let's make it 12 and leave the styles as it is and save it. Let's go to the demarker. Let's make the period to 10, and let's go to the style, make the main line turquoise with 2 pixels, and yeah, that's all, and save it. Okay, now I'll find a perfect position to open our first trade of the day, and here I got a perfect one and I will love to buy here. The reason I bought here is, as you can see, the alligator indicator. First, in this strategy, alligator indicator will show the first signal. As you can see, all the line of alligator, red, white and blue, is intersecting each other and it is facing the upward direction. As you can see, it's showing the up direction, which indicates that the market will go bullish. Now the second indicator we are looking is the momentum. As you can see, momentum indicator is also showing all the green candles, which is the second confirmation of market going bullish. Now to confirm both of these, we'll look at the RSI. As you can see, the main line of the RSI is above green line, which also indicates that the market will go up. All 3 indicators is showing the exact same direction, so that's the reason I have bought here. Okay, here I won the first trade of the day. Now let's go to the another one. And here I found exactly opposite and I have sold here. The reason I have sold is, as you can see, all of the alligator line is intersecting each other and pointing downward. As you can see, they are all pointing downward. And after that, if you look at the momentum, the red bars are forming and they are all below zero line. As you can see, they are all below zero. So that's the another reason why I have sold here. And to confirm all of this signal, I looked at the RSI, which is, as you can see, the main line is below the red line and it is also pointing downward. So all 3 indicators is showing me that the market will go down. So that's the reason I have sold here. Okay, this was the second profit of the day. Now let's go to the next one. Okay, and here I got another perfect position to open our trade and I will buy here. The reason I bought is, as you can see, all of the alligator lines are intersecting each other and they are all facing on upward direction. As you can see, they are all facing upward, and if you look at the momentum, after intersecting, all the bars are green. Both of these indicators is showing me that the market will go up. And also if you look at the RSI line, as you can see, the main line of the RSI is also above 70 line, which also indicates that the market will go up. So all 3 indicators is showing me the same direction, so that's the reason I have bought here. And here I nearly made a loss, but fortunately I made a profit here. And yeah, that was the last trade of the day, and we are closing with $614 in profit. We have started with $100, now we have $614, which is $514 in profit. And if you want a detailed explanation of this strategy, I have given the link in the description, you can check that out, or you can also click here to watch that video. Thank you for watching, see you in the next one.